ETSC Embedded Behavioral Health is pleased to offer service members a workshop about emotional resilience, also known as natural therapy, developed by Dr. David Biscott, MD. The course is offered to selected service members who would like to understand how feelings work, the natural therapy process, the concept of emotional debt, toxic nostalgia, how defenses originate, and be able to identify personality or character type and live more honestly and responsibly. As Dr. David Biscott once said, "If you lived honestly, your life would heal itself." The imperatives of natural therapy include to express your feelings, to mourn, forgive, and heal, to admit the lies you tell, to understand why you tell them, to understand your true needs, to give up false expectations, to accept yourself as you are, to create your own life free, productive, and happy.
David Biscott, we're working on the lines, but that means this is an opportunity for you to learn something that you don't usually learn on this program, something about feelings. Do you know that most people don't know how feelings work? And the truth is that if you don't understand how your feelings work, you really don't understand the world around you. The truth is, the way you see the world is in large part distorted by the feelings that you have not expressed, that you've held in, and that are causing you to see those unexpressed feelings in the world. For example, if you've been hurt, hurt turns into anger after a while, and you walk in the world as an angry person, eventually seeing anger in places where it doesn't exist, and the tendency is to react to comments that other people make with anger, and that's why you sound inappropriate. Each of us has a goal in life, and the basic goal of mental health is to tell how you feel to the person who caused you to feel that way, when they caused you to feel that way. The idea is to keep your feelings current, keep your feelings of the moment, and keep them real. If you think about it this way, a person who is not living in the feelings of the moment is living in a world that is already past, and they're trying to catch up with what is going on. If you're holding feelings in, you hold feelings in at a great cost to you. And the cost is the cost of energy. Because to hold anger in place, to hold hurt in place, uses up your emotions, uses up your energy, and causes you, more than anything else, to have less energy to invest in the moment now. When that happens, something strange happens to you. You make less of an investment of yourself in the world around you, and because less is given, you get less coming back. So if you've been hurt, and you're not expressing that hurt, you end up carrying a grudge, going into the world unable to commit to anything. You don't take responsibility for yourself, and the worst thing that happens is you begin to believe that the world is a place where you're not going to get your share of the good things in life. That sounds sad. It is sad. And the reason it's sad is because it becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy.
The Emotional Resilience Workshop is offered each month on selected days. Please see your provider for details.